In this video, I'm going to show you how you can show live captions in a Microsoft Teams meeting. By enabling or showing live captions, this will enable your speech to be displayed in real time during the meeting. If this video helps, please like and subscribe to this channel. Alright, so to enable live caption is pretty simple during a meeting. As you can see, I have this meeting going on. I'll wish to enable this live caption. To do so, head over to this more option while the meeting is on, and then head to language and speech. Under this, you can see we have this option, show live caption. Now, if you tap on show live caption here, the words will be shown in real time. The caption will be here. I've muted mine, that's why you can't see. However, if I go ahead and unmute, now you can see we have live captions here. So that's how you can enable or turn on live captions in Microsoft Teams meeting. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.